Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. We will show you how to set up a Raspberry Pi to get started with Cloud 3D Print. You will need a computer, a compatible 3D printer, and a Raspberry Pi 3B, 3B+, 4B, or 02W. Select Setup Wizard and then select Setup Raspberry Pi. If you have a brand new Raspberry Pi and wish to install using the Raspberry Pi image, select Install on your new Raspberry Pi. To get started with the Raspberry Pi image installation, download the Raspberry Pi Imager and install it. Next, download the Cloud 3D Print application image and plug in a micro SD card into your computer using an SD card reader. Launch the Raspberry Pi Imager application, select the Cloud 3D Print application image. Select the micro SD card and press Ctrl-Shift-X to open up the configuration settings. Enable Set Host Name and set a new name for your Raspberry Pi. Enable SSH and set a password for the Raspberry Pi. Let's grab some coffee and wait for a while for the process to be done. Next, plug the SD card into your Pi, plug in the power cable. Then plug in your printer and optionally a camera. You have now completed the installation for the Raspberry Pi. After installation, you can go to Device page. If your computer has the same Wi-Fi environment with the Raspberry Pi, you will find a new device. You can then link the Raspberry Pi to the system. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.